until the fall of 1962, the Department of Physical Training for Women, often called the Department of Required Physical Education for Women, oversaw required PE credits for female students, operating under a philosophy that shifted from a competitive high-intensity training program towards broader, ladylike activity, while the long tenure of Director Ann Hitz. The Department of Physical Training for Women ran from 1911 to 1977. One of our favorites was when Dot volunteered during Longhorn Move-In Day at the beginning of the academic year. Dot asked one young man she was helping move in the dorms what he was planning to major in, to which he replied, "I'm going to major in kinesiology." There was a pause, and then the young man said, "I bet you don't even know what kinesiology is." To which Dot replied, "Well," I could just hear her saying that, "well, I've been accused of that before." The young man begins to define kinesiology for Dot. As Dot was wishing the young man a great first year at UT Inducting, he asked Dot what she does on campus. Dot's mom told him, I'm the department chair of kinesiology and health education." The young man's eyes widened in surprise and embarrassment, realizing he just explained his major to the very person in the department. Everyone around shared laughed, and Dot, with her landmark warmth and humor, assured him that he had a wonderful experience. It was a classic Dot moment, humble, approachable, and always bringing a little lightness to any situation.
His research interests really focused on biomechanical analysis of human movement in sports and rehab, neuromuscular aspects of motor coordination, computer-assisted modeling of neuromuscular control systems, and utilization of instructional technology in teaching and learning, which would also be a theme for his career. Because Larry really is a teacher at heart, and he was recognized throughout his time here as somebody who made a really lasting positive impact on the way that we teach students here at UT.
One of the things I think about a lot is all the people here that were part of our lives. There were faculty, staff, students, colleagues across campus that were interested in what we were doing, gave us advice, helped, and cheered us on.